Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 24th of August. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. Any patchy fog around this morning will be getting out of here. It's a nice day, sunshine, humidity levels are dropping, winds will be a little bit breezy at times out of the southwest as those dew points, which were in the 60s and even some 70s over the Cape and the Islands, fall back to the 50s. That's where temperatures are going tonight, back down to the 50s, some 60s in the suburbs. By the way, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs. As we head for Tuesday, tomorrow, up near 80 again, lots of sunshine. Back to the 60-degree range tomorrow night, within a few degrees. And then Wednesday, sunshine, 80 to 85. Thursday, sunshine, 80 to 85, with some clouds showing up in the afternoon, along with more humidity. There may be a couple of showers Thursday night or Friday, and right now the weekend looks okay, but it's Monday, so let's not hold on to that too closely, because things could change depending on how an upper level system kind of evolves. But we'll play it sunny and dry this weekend right now. Just stay tuned. Temperatures in the low 80s over the weekend. Not much in the way of humidity. And we may get more humid later next week. And of course, we're going to be heading into September next week. Have a great day, everybody.